Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about Laserjumpstart at laserjumpstart.com in a program that I've had for a while called Flexit. And I just recently got the wrap, and so I've been doing some playing around with the product, and I actually stole this exact idea off their YouTube channel, but I thought I'd add it to my channel, and I do it a little bit different than he did it. I just made this 2-compartment box. It opens on either side, and there's actually a shelf. So there it is, open, and there's the shelf separating the two. And it worked really well. I used a 0.09 or 0.009 kerf, and it worked really well. Let me get rid of these indexing lines. These indexing lines were for 12-inch piece of plywood I had. But I thought I'd just design this, and this will be a 2-part video because I'm going to use Flexit to draw this, but then I'm going to use Boxit to put in this shelf. So let's just get my one that I cut out of the way and select your item. And then if you have Flexit, go to this, just click on it. There's my kerf of 0.009. My wood is 0.125, which is 1/8 of an inch. I want my tab width to be 1/4 of an inch. I want my box height to be 1 inch. My hinge is flexible. I'm going to do a side tab, and I want the hinge strength to a -1, which makes it a little bit tighter. And then all you do is hit OK. And we've also got live hinge selected. So there's our box already done. You could put this together and it would be a double-sided box. But the program puts these into 2 pieces, and I want them in 1 piece. So I've got snap to object selected. Let me just zoom in here a little bit. And I'm going to use my virtual segment delete key to delete this. Now I'm going to select both these, and I'm going to group them, I'm going to weld them together. Now, on his video, he did it twice. And it works. You only need to do it once and just make a duplicate of this. So there's your finished product. It might be a little bit tight on this hinge versus this hinge. So what I actually did, I changed it. And just remember that you have to change both of them. So let's lock that node right there. So this is your male and this is your female. It's going to be rather tight. So what I did is I moved, and the flex was a little bit tight. So what you could do is grab that item, zoom in here. So if you cut it out, and you're not wasting any wood. But what I did is I grabbed all 4 of these. Let's set the nudge factor on. Let's see what our nudge factor is. Let's set it on 0.006. Take your shape tool and grab the nodes from the male. See how I got all of them 4 highlighted? I'm going to nudge them over 0.06, and then I'm going to make it a little looser. So I'm going to grab my shape tool again. I'm just going to grab these 2, and I'm going to move them over. So that made it, and I might even do it twice. That made it, because it doesn't have to be that real tight because you've got the spring pulling it back. So just remember that you have to do both of them when you do that, so they won't be lopsided. And here's the key. You don't have to do it again. Just do this one. Again, I guess we'll do it real quick. Let's zoom in here. Let's grab our shape tool. Now I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm going to go to the left. And then I'm going to take just these 2 nodes and I'm going to punch it twice left. Now, just to double check that you did it right, Control D and make a duplicate. Mirror it, and then mirror it again. And you can see that we did it correctly. And they're right on top of each other. So you've got 2 of them done. Then Boxit leaves this, just pull it out of the way. You could use it later for another box. And that's the only 4 pieces you need. And if you like, watch part 2, and I'm going to show how to put this divider between the two. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.